Let's now see how you can use this concept in your garment production business. First, you will start your business along with a couple of tailors that will help you in making garments. Gradually, as your business will grow, you may need to hire more employees. Therefore, you may have to get in touch with others in the industry that can help you in knowing about the people you can hire for your business. Later, when the customer's demand will increase, you will have to hire few more tailors to help you produce more garments. They will be your semi-skilled laborers. When the number of tailors will increase, you may need to hire a master tailor and a supervisor to keep things in check. He or she will be your skilled labor. During the initial stages, your tailors can help you with the packaging of products and selling the garments to customers in a store. But later, you may also have to employ people to help with packaging and other odd jobs in your business. They will be your unskilled laborers. You may also have to hire salespersons to help you in the actual selling of garments to customers. Again, they will be your skilled laborers.
All I could understand about the concept is that I will have to hire employees as my business will grow. I also realized that there is no fixed time which can help decide when new employees should be hired or when recruitments should be done. Hiring employees activity takes place as and when required.